Hello, this is Sim Smart Farm. Today I talk to you about how to install coding environment for ESP32 module. ESP32 module is a part of control unit of the Plant Incubator presented here. So today's topic is how to prepare coding environment for ESP32 module. Here are the materials which I need for my talk today. Two types of ESP32 modules and USB cable here. The model names of ESP32 are ESP32 WROM32 and ESP32 WROM32D respectively. The difference between two models are number of pin, 5V output, number of LEDs on board. I used ESP32 WROM32D for the Plant Incubator because the board has 5V output pin. 5V output is very useful to operate LED light strips and fan. But I use ESP32 WROM32 today because I have to use an indicating LED, which is blue color, to evaluate the installed program. Here are the resources to install the development environment for the ESP32 module. I use Arduino IDE to do coding to the ESP32 modules. Arduino IDE is very simple and intuitive, so it's useful for beginners. And I use ESP32 module fabricated by ESP32. You can get all things which you need from the website. The procedure to install the development environment is composed of three phases. One is to install Arduino IDE, another is to add ESP32 board in the IDE, and the other is to evaluate the installation with a test code. Following video shows you the procedures. Okay, I have finished the installation of Arduino IDE to do coding to ESP32 module. Now I evaluate the coding environment with a simple code. The function of code is to blink blue LED on the ESP32 WROM32 module. The ESP32 code in Arduino IDE is composed of two parts. One is setup unit and the other is loop unit. I set initial value and condition in setup unit, and the active function is done in loop unit. In sharp defined LED 2 means IO port 2 is defined as LED. It means IO port 2 controls the blue color LED on the board. In the setup unit, I said port 2 works in a mode of output with pin mode keyword. The keyword digital write makes port 2, that is LED, high or low. When port 2, that is LED, become high, blue color LED on the board is turned on. The keyword delay makes the procedure is hold for the time in the bracket. I can compile and download the code with the icons. Additionally, there are two buttons on the ESP32 board. The buttons are very important to download the code to ESP32 board and execute the code. When I download a code to ESP32 board, I have to push boot button, clicking download icon. After downloading a code is completed, I have to push EN button to execute the code. Pushing EN button is once. After that, there is no need to push EN button until a new code is downloaded. Following video shows you the procedures. Okay, here are the topics in the next video, maybe on the next Friday. The contents are flowchart of a program in ESP32 module for a current Plant Incubator, and how to use DXT11 in ESP32 module. Okay, it's all I want to talk to you today. Thank you for joining us. Please subscribe this channel. It will encourage me to make better presentation. I hope to see you to the next video. Bye bye.